welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to review another failed product from Sephora, or let's say failed product from Huda Beauty or Wishful Skincare, because this skincare line owned by Huda Kattan and she also owned Huda Beauty. I never purchased any item from Huda Beauty and I never purchased any skincare item from Wishful Skincare line. I never buy any Huda Beauty product because I always say that I do not use makeup. The only thing I like to use when it comes to makeup is my lipstick. So Huda Beauty is useless to me. But when I see this particular product on Sephora, I was like, why people are talking about this product? Because to me, this product looks very gimmicky and I don't want it to buy. But then when I was purchasing something from Sephora, I see that I can use my points and I can get the sample of this particular product. So now let me show you the product. So this is the product from Wishful Skincare. And this is Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. Now, before I share my opinion about this, I would like to share something. This is a very fun thing to share. I remember back in 90s when I was in a school and my sister was in a college and we both were like skincare junkies, and my sister used to buy good skincare products, which I also used sometimes. And I clearly remember once she bought Everyouth Scrub and that product was similar to this product. So when I was using this product, I was smiling and thinking that, oh my God, time changed, everything changed. And the product which we used in 90s, I'm using the same product right now in 2021. How cool is that? This is not at all a new concept. So whenever I review skincare products, I always talk about fragrance, effectiveness, about the ingredients, and most importantly, the brand is clean or not. And when I say clean, it simply means that the product is free from harmful chemicals or it's cruelty free or not. So this is something very, very important to me. Now let's talk about the real stuff. Now let me open this for you guys. So I got 5 packets of this Yo Glow scrub. I already used one. To be very honest, this is a very generous kind of a sample kit, which I really like it. And this is the one which I already used it. Now let's talk about the fragrance. As I always said that fragrance is #1 thing which you notice immediately when you open your makeup or your skincare. So let me smell again. Okay, so the fragrance of this is very, very artificial. I did not like it, and personally I don't like any kind of artificial fragrances in my skincare products. Also, if you are very sensitive towards heavy fragrances or artificial fragrances, you're not gonna enjoy this. So fragrance wise, this is so horrible to me. I don't want to judge other people. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't like it, but to me it's horrible fragrance. Now let's talk about the ingredients of this product. When you go to the Sephora page, you will see the highlighted ingredients, which is papaya fruit extract, pineapple fruit extract, and certain AHA and BHA. Now when it comes to AHA and BHA, I would like to say that every other scrubs contains such ingredient, but that doesn't mean that that particular product is really good for your skin. You have to be very smart when you are choosing these kind of a product, because every product is different. Other than the highlighted ingredients, there are many more ingredients in any skincare product. And if I talk about other ingredients of this scrub, there is like more than 40 ingredients here. Like, this is something crazy to me. Like, there is good ingredients too, like ginger root extract, there's a willow bark extract, which is a very like permanent kind of an ingredient in many scrubs and exfoliation products these days. And there's the almond oil. Oh my God, there's so many ingredients. I don't want to read. If I gonna read all of these ingredients, my video gonna be very long. So ingredients wise, this scrub is not that bad, but there are certain other ingredients which are not suitable, at least for my skin. Now let's talk about the most important thing of this product and why this product is like talk of the town these days. So let me get some product. So this is the texture of this product, very grainy. Now I'm going to apply this on my hand. Now you can see these white particles. Here comes the gimmicky part, because this scrub claims that it's gonna remove dead skin from your skin like immediately. When you're gonna use this product, immediately you're gonna see dead skin from your face. So do you think this is a dead skin? And this is the same thing happened back in 90s, and me and my sister was like very amazed and excited to see that, oh, that is skin coming from our face. But we were very new to skincare, but now we evolved, we learned so much about the skincare. This is something I wanted to show. This is not your dead skin, this is a cellulose, and pardon me if I pronounce this word in a wrong way. So this is not your dead skin, this is a cellulose, and this is a combination of some other ingredients. This is not at all dead skin. Oh my god, this is first of all a very bad product. Secondly, it's very messy, nasty product. Now let me ask this to you guys. Whenever you used any acid based exfoliation or any natural scrub like apricot or walnut, how many times you see these kind of white particles coming from your face? Never. I never seen such thing from my skin, and I can't believe that even in today's world people are making such gimmicky and such bad product just to make money. I mean, this particular product could be a very fun product or like innovative product for teenager or for someone who really like to add any fun activity in their skincare routine. But if you want to buy product for aging skin or for mature skin, this is not for you guys. Do not spend your money on this. This is not at all good. Price wise also it's very expensive. I don't know what to say. I know there are so many positive reviews also on Sephora. People are like saying that their skin is like baby soft and whatnot. So if you think that this scrub gonna make your skin baby soft, it's just because it contains some good ingredients too, like almond oil, like apple extract. There's just so many ingredients which gonna make your skin definitely soft. But are you going to buy this just because you want a baby soft skin, or you gonna buy this because you want to get rid of your dead skin? If you want baby soft skin, definitely you can go and buy. Personally, I did not experience any baby soft skin feeling or anything which other customers are saying. They are not wrong. Maybe they are enjoying this product very much, but I did not see any improvement. Also because I have a mature skin. I am 35 plus. So for me, this is not at all good. And right now I am feeling very happy because I did not purchase full size. The only thing, I had to spend my 100 points to get these sample sizes, but I'm still happy because now I know that this is very bad and this is a gimmicky product and one should not buy, especially people from my age. Don't bother about this. You can happily skip this from Sephora. Your skin not at all need such gimmicky products. So this was my honest opinion, or you can say my honest review about this Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. And now I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and